but we are his servants. Siyisebenzi zakhe thina. Yingakathi uPaul ngisiboshwa sika Kristu. Ngisiboshwa, yeah, I'm a slave of Christ. Yeah, ngisigqila sakhe because we understand ukuthi akusiza ukuthi alwele ukujabulisa lento yena ayifunayo esikhundleni sokuthi ajabulise lo yena omsindisile. uJesu uma esindisa uPaul ubevele busy na something, but akasakwazi ukuqhubeka bebhizi ngalezo zinto ayebhizi ngazo engakamamukela uJesu. Sekufanele bebhizi ngento kaJesu. Ingakho washiya konke, kwashintsha ngisho i-assignment akade ayihambela, washintsha wayenza izinto ezithokozisa uNkulunkulu, uyabona. So ke ingakho sifunda lamazwi bazalwane because abalulekile, mhlambe bekungaba kuhle nje sithi kubuyela ku verse 35, uverse 35 ngoba njoba seyifika ku43 nje iqala ku35 le ndaba ethi you must be ready, you must be ready, you must be ready, be ready. It does not mean ukuthi ke now njoba kuthiwa yiba ready so uhlela wenza lutho. No, be ready emsebenzini, ubusy, ubusy, yeah, usebenza wazi ukuthi ngilinda ukubuya kwenkosi, yabona. Yeah, yonke into yenzayo ulwela ukwenza into ekuzothi naye evela athi well done good and faithful servant. Simzwile bazalwane kulama parable kade siwafunda the past 2 days kule ingceku ezenze kahle athi good and faithful servant. Simzwile ebancoma, kodwa lo ngenzanga kahle uthi wicked servant, uyabona. So ingakho lamazwi ayangidla kakhulu bazalwane ukuthi uma inkosi ibuya ingabe izofike ithini kimi, izothi faithful or izothi wicked, yabona, izothi faithful or izothi wicked. So you must be ready, you must be ready. Lithi ke verse 35, stay dressed for action, stay dressed for action and keep your lamps burning. Yeah, hlala ugqokele umshikashika nezibani zivutha. Yeah, hlala nigqokile. Yeah, be ready for action and keep your lamps burning. Yeah, isibani masingacimi bazalwane, isibani sokukholwa masingacimi, nakulesikhathi esinje ungavuma isibani sakho sicime. Yeah, isibani sokukholwa masingacimi bazalwane, masingacimi. And be like a man who is waiting for their master to come home from the wedding feast. Yeah, nifane nalamadoda alinde inkosi yayo ebuye emshadweni. Yeah, be ready for action. Yeah, you must always be dressed and ready for action and keep your lamps burning. Be like those men who are waiting for their master who's coming from a wedding, and so that they may open the door to him. Yeah, inkosi yabo iye emshadweni. And imishado le iyadilaya, yabona. So uma uye emshadweni nje nawe uyazi ukuthi uma uye emshadweni ngeke ubeke kahle isikhathi sokubuya, because imishado inama delays amaningi. Program yomshado ayijwayelanga ukuhamba accurately ngendlela ebhalwe ngayo phansi, so there are always delays. So kuthiwa ke these guys, they are always dressed for action. They must always be dressed for action and the lamps burning. Bafane nalamadoda alinde inkosi yawo ebuye emshadweni abangamazuzo kokota what time kuswa, so that when he comes they open the door to him, bamvulele at once when he comes and knocks. Angakokoti isikhathi eside kuthiwa makathi nje koko bavele bavula umnyango. Should be very ready, uyabona. Yamazi umuntu maka ready for you, umuntu naka ready for you. Uma uthi nje mhlambe uthi uyazi ukuthi kunemoto ezokulanda izofika nje egate ithi pip kayi1, ithi pip kayi1, akathi pip 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 aza kwada ushaka yi1 kuphela, bese uyavela. Because really bazalwane ukubuya kwenkosi angeke aphephise isikhathi eside. Yeah, ingakho lithi in a moment, in a twinkling of an eye, the trumpet shall sound. So kuyokwenza ngomzuzwana ko pip kube kudlulile, uyabona. So we must always be ready, and ibani zethu zivutha, ibani zethu zivutha. Ukhumbula iparable yeintombi ezilishumi ekuthiwa zaphuma zathatha ibani zazo. So you must always be ready stay dressed and keep your lamps burning. So ke ukuze ukuthiwa be like those men ukuthi inkosi yabo mayivele ibuye emshadweni uma ikokota bayivulele quickly. Blessed are those servants whom the master finds awake when he comes. Yeah? Blessed are those servants when their master finds, when he comes, he finds them awake. Babusisiwe lezo ingceku zibusisiwe. Inkosi yazo eyothi mayibuya ithola ukuthi abalalanga bazalwana. Abalalanga. Babhizi. Abalalanga. Intombi ezilishumi zozela zalala bazalwana. Abanye bayalala bengaboni ukuthi amafutha aphelile ibani sezicimile ibani. Sicimile ibani manje ababoni ngosibalele. Uthi uJesu bazibusisiwe lezo ingcebo inkosi yabo yothi mayifika bathole bevukile ngoba mawuvukile uzosibona isibani sakho ukuthi hayi isibani lesi ngathi siphela amafutha manje uwagcwalise amafutha kamoya uwagcwalise amafutha kamoya kuthiwa ke when he comes abathole bevukile uthi truly I say to you he will dress himself for service. The master will dress himself for service and have them recline at the table and he will come and serve them. How, bazalwane? Namhlanje yithi sithunywayo. We are servants. We are servants. Yeah. And we are serving Christ through preaching the gospel, through serving others. Sazi ukuthi yonke into esiyenzayo for abanye abantu senzela uKristu kahle kahle. Kuthiwa ke now uthi when he comes, he will dress himself for service. Uma ebuya kuyombatha yena agqoke ngoba uthole bengalalanga wathola abantu bebusy umshikashika uphansi phezulu uthi uyobahlalisa etafuleni lezo ingceku lezo zohlala etafuleni and he will come and serve them. He will come and serve them. Yebazalwane uJesu uyathembisa ukuthi uyena oyobe serve because emaparable lawa akhuluma ngaye nebandla lakhe. Amaparable akhuluma ngaye nebandla lakhe, so uma singalalanga bazalwane sibe busy ngento yakhe, sibe busy ngento kaNkulunkulu. Singavuma ukudiscouragewa izimo, singavuma ukudiscouragewa ama situations ayenzakalayo or ama opposition esihlangana nayo. No, qhubeke. Yeah, forge forward, don't be discouraged. Kuthiwa ke verse 38, if he comes in a second watch or a third watch and finds them awake, blessed are those servants. Uyabona manje, second watch, third watch, uyabona ukuthi it's like ebusuku. Yeah, angafika in the midnight hour. Yeah, ngamanye amazwi bazalwane, angafika ngalesikhathi kumnyama kakhulu emhlabeni, ngesikhathi kumashakele kakhulu emhlabeni, ngesikhathi kunezinto ezirong kakhulu ezenzakalayo, avele ngaleso sikhathi. Yabona? Ena ubuka namhlanje uyabona ukuthi hey izinto ayisafani nakudala. Khona izinto bazalwane ebeyibizwa nje ubuntu, yazi into umuntu ayifundiswe ekhaya kubo abe nje a good citizen emphakathini efundiswe ekhaya kubo, not because unoJesu, akana Jesu but unobuntu. Namhlanje ubuntu bunciphile kakhulu, bunciphile kakhulu ubuntu. So ke yabona kusebusuku namhlanje even abantu abakholwayo banokushoda ngobuntu, bethi bakholwa bashode ngobuntu. So uthi if he comes in a second or a third watch, yabo kushuta kabuyi ngabo 8 9 ebusuku, hayi lapha abantu abakalali, yeah, uzobuya ngabo 12 or ngabo 4 ekuseni. Yabona lesikhathi ubuthongo bomnandi kakhulu kwabaningi, he finds them awake. Because uyazi uJesu ukuthi it becomes a great sacrifice ukuhlala ungalali ebusuku ulinde iboss yakho. Uyabona lento uJesu akhuluma ngayo ukuthi serious kanjani. Nakathi ngiyahamba ngishiya ikhiya. Uyabona? Mhlawumbe umzalo wakho athi ngisahamba ngisaya emshadweni ngishiye ikhiya ungivulele mangibuye. Imini yonke le ulindile ukuthi uyangena. Mhlawumbe asho ukuthi uye emshadweni uye emsebenzini. Uyabona uthe ngisaya emashop ngisaya town ngisene meeting somewhere. Mangibuya la ngizongivulela nazi ikhiya. So uyangena next lishona ilanga. So into yokuqala ezoba yiwari kuwe ezokuhlupha ukuthi akaphathanga ikhiya and manje now sengiphatha ubuthongo. Uyayibona ke manje pressure ukuthi kuphi. So ipressure isekutheni hayi ukuthi uyabuya nje ukuthi akaphathanga ikhiya eziphethe kuwe and wena manje fanele umvulele wakabuya. Uyabheka ukuthi yazi njalo ulala ngo8 or ngo10 kushaw 8 kushaw 9 kushaw 5 to 9 5 to 10 kushaw 10 uhlale kushaw 10 11. Uyabona manje sokuqala ukuba ne pressure nyana. Yeah, sokuqala ungabi mnandi ngoba uyacabanga ukuthi yazi angikwazi ukuvula igate. Fanele igate ihlale likhiwe mara makathi pip ngivuke ngimhlangabeze ngimvulele. So uzovula from a18. So noma uthi uyalala awukwazi ukuthi ulala ungaqhokanga and manje awufuna ukulala serious ungamana wozele khona la emasofeni. Uyabona leyo challenge leyo. So ilento uJesu asitshela yena ukuthi ke sizozithola silinda in a midnight hour, kodwa we must be busy because ushiye ne-assignment sisebenze even in the midnight hour sibe busy. Bazalwane sibe busy, so uthi ke uthi mayibuya whether it's the second watch or the third watch, when you find them awake, blessed are those 7. Blessed. Yawazi ama-Beatitudes ka chapter 5, Matthew chapter 5 verse from verse 3 to 12. Now you are at blessed are those 7s. Blessed are those 7s. But know this. This is what you must know. Know this, that if the master of the house had known at what hour the thief was coming, he would not have left his house to be broken into. Abana manje usinikeza another concept manje uJesu. Ukuthi don't expect ukuthi uzomazi ukuthi uzobuya nini. Ngoba kufana nomnikazi wendlu. Uma bekazi ukuthi isigebengu sizofika nini ukuzophula endlini singene sitshontshe izinto, ubengeke avuma indlu yakhe iphulwe. Kusho ukuthi lento ye house breaking kudala ikhona bazalwane. There's nothing new under the sun. I think namhlanje indaba ye house breaking uJesu bekangeke akhulume ngayo kanti ayikho i-house breaking, yabo. So enye izinto esifunda kuma house breaking iloko ukuthi uyazi umuntu uzathi uyazi kube bengazi ngabe lento ngiyisusile namhlanje lapha ya. Omunye athi uyazi ngizwe something la kimi ngathi ngayisusa ngase ngithi mara masijwayele ukuhlala lapha. If the master of the house had known what the hour the thief will come, he would have not left his house to be broken. You also must be ready for the Son of Man. Uyayizwa ke manje? Uyabona ukuthi kahle this thing is all about us and him. It's all about Christ and his church. It's all about Christ and his servants, his believers, Utige, you also. So it's about them. You also must be ready. It's about us. You must be ready, for the Son of Man is coming at an hour you do not expect. But he must find us working. You must not find us abusing